Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here from Don's Appliances. Today we're looking at the designer series from SubZero Wolf. So this is the 36-inch with the freezer drawers on the bottom, panel ready very nicely. So this is paneled. Let's open this up. Check out how cool it is. Great area here, really nice highlighted. Here's our water dispenser. So this is always key in the very beginning. Now that it's brand new, you're going to want to put your glass under here and let it purge. It's going to take around 3 minutes to clear the line of all the air, and then the water will start coming. A lot of customers say, oh, I don't think my water works, so I want like this. You got to hold it down for a few minutes with a cup just to get the air out of the line and get some water flowing through. I say disregard, throw out the first like 2 or 3 cups just to get that clean water running, and then it'll be filtered and chilled from there. So over here underneath the water reservoir really are cheat sheets that I like to kind of go over with everybody. One is labeled food preservation, one's labeled use and care. The food preservation one really talks about, gives you a couple tips, but really talks about the ethylene gas in your sensitive foods, your fruits, vegetables, things like that, that it scrubs the air every 30 minutes. So it really removes those ethylene gases, which saves dollars in your pocket and, extends the lifetime of your refrigerated items, which I love, okay? The next one is the use and care on this. This really gives you icons of everything on your control panel and your touch control panel. And then at the very top, it really categorizes, color codes all of your 8 pieces of your SubZero refrigerator. Everything from the water filtration system to the door shelves. So it really covers, kind of what is what in the world of it. So very nice. Then if you flip on the back here, you're going to look at, it's really going to show you how to change your water filter, how to change your air purifier, and kind of adjust some shelving and do some cleaning. So it's very nice and easy. I'm going to go over this. See the SubZero right here? You flip this up. This is really where our water filter lives. So nice and easy. Really take it, twist it right, pull it out. That's how to take this filter out. Then you could go to Don's, say, hey, this is me. This is my filter. I'll give you a new one. Pop it right in, twist it in till it locks, and turn it right. That's a once-a-year piece, okay? Our air purifier is right here, too. So we slide this back. This is kind of where our air purifier lives. That charcoal cartridge comes out once a year as well. That will blink annoyingly in the center and tell you when it's ready. So it's usually a once-a-year type thing, all right? We click on the showroom mode right here. Click on that. You're really going to talk about the crisper drawer, so you could adjust the moisture depending on what we're cooking here. This will go with the ice in the freezer. We can go to max ice and make 30% more. The next one, that's the air purifier. We want to hit that. We want to turn the air purifier on, make sure it's on, and it'll give us our status of what that filter is too. And that's really what's going to scrub our gas, our ethylene gas out of the refrigerator every 30 minutes. So push that back, thumb there. Next, you'll have the night mode, which lowers at night, lowers the lighting at night, so it really doesn't blast your eyes when you open it. So you midnight snackers, you're all night mode. Okay, we go to the next one. Internal dispenser is going to check your water filter status as well. The alarm on the door to adjust. Okay, our next one, adjust all the sounds in there. Adjust our water filter status. This will connect it to our smartphone or tablet. Okay, then we have our Sabbath mode as well. So if we click on our Sabbath mode, it'll observe that holiday. So anything else, you can select your language, and then for general service, that's right there. So nice and easy. And then the right is the refrigeration. The left on this one, they're highlighted on each, is your freezer modes. So talk about the freezer. Now let's open the freezer. You see great bin storage right here. These are adjustable, so these will push up. We can put them to another one, any of these dedicated locations, so we can pop it out, kind of convert it to what we're doing, whether we're doing small stuff over here, big stuff over here, or vice versa, depending on what your liking is. Nice soft close. Let's open this one up on the very bottom. This is really where your ice storage is, and they really give you a little bit of shallow storage, kind of to flash freeze some stuff, or to hold some quick ice items like ice cream sandwiches or small cookies, things of that sort. So that closes very nicely. Ton of great features, and then these are those soft close drawers as well, so that's a new addition. I love that. Just make sure these are nice and level in there, and the gliders work well. So other than that, refrigeration system is always key, and hope you enjoy this video and enjoy your appliances from Don's Appliances. Thanks so much.